Welcome to GreenHash's video introduction. Today, we will provide a detailed introduction to the full range of GreenHash CDU products. GreenHash CDU products can cover the cooling scenarios of mining on different scales. The current product series can accommodate capacities ranging from 200 kW to 2 MW, and customization is available to meet specific customer requirements. Our CDU uses the most advanced hydrocooling technology, providing strong cooling protection for large-scale mining. Control Center, an intelligent PLC control system for precise control of system pressure and temperature. Pressure Control, a circulating pump for variable frequency control of pressure difference, and a stabilizing pressure tank to prevent pressure changes due to temperature. Water Supply Control, a water supply tank and a liquid supply pump to prevent water shortage in the system. Security Control, a safety relief valve to prevent system pressure from exceeding the valve, a degassing tank to prevent unstable pressure and air from affecting heat exchange efficiency, and a 150 micrometer accuracy filter to prevent water quality blockage. Temperature Control, an optional heat exchanger for isolating internal and external circulation, and precise temperature control. By utilizing these 5 control modules, the overall system can operate safely, reliably, and controllably. We strongly believe GreenHash CDU products can bring benefits to customers, increase the lifespan of mining machines. Efficient heat dissipation can avoid mining machines from overheating and extend their lifespan. Improve computing power. Stable heat dissipation can ensure the long-term operation of mining machines, improve computing power, and increase mining revenue. Reduce OPEX. Hydrocooling systems are easier and more reliable to maintain with relatively low maintenance costs.